Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Girl in the City. Today we will see how to do this beautiful and easy bottle art. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do show your blessings and support by subscribing to my channel, and remember to press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Below in the screen, you will see the color name I used. Just for your reference, however, you can use any color combination as per your wish. I am filling up the details now, but you can do it later also once the paint is dry out, so that it will be easy and smudge free. The color might get smudged out. So, meanwhile, you can take a break and let the paint dry out. If you wish, you can just paint till this circle. However, I would like to completely cover all the area, so I will just fill up with some more beautiful colors. See how easy and beautiful it is. Just little bit touch up and see, it is done. Subscribe to my channel, like, press the bell icon and share.